lifestyle lovers, welcome back to SE Lifestyle. I am Erica and currently I'm in the car. Today is just going to be a vlog. I don't have a whole lot going on, but I decided to just jump on camera and take you guys with me on today's journey, wherever that may lead us. Right now I am headed to my grandson's school. Today is his 5th birthday. Happy birthday, Messiah. He turned 5 today. So my daughter is going to do a little cake and I guess ice cream up to the school. And I'm actually still working, but I'm taking a lunch so I can peep into the party and wish my baby a happy birthday, because I wished him a happy birthday on FaceTime this morning. But I wanted to officially wish him a happy birthday and give him a kiss from me, Mom. So I'm going to head up to the school, which is not too far from my home. And then I'm going to get back, finish up my work day. And I don't know what's next after that. I don't know. I may cook a shrimp and scallop linguine today. I took some shrimp and scallops out to cook, but I'm actually going to need some more shrimp. So I'm going to have to go by the store and get that. And that's about it, lifestyle lovers. That's pretty much it for today. But yeah, I just wanted to jump on and tell you guys hi. There's not much going on but work. That's about it. Work and bills. And I'm quite sure a lot of you can relate. But yeah, so I'm going to head up to my grandson's school. And I'll jump back on camera in a little bit. You missing a number?
2, 3, 4, 5.
5. You a big boy.
5. Okay, 5.
Wait a minute, y'all. Be careful.
5.
Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Messiah. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish and blow out your candle.
There you go. Yay! Happy birthday, Messiah! Yay! Okay, y'all. So school birthday party was a success. I'm gonna head back home, log in, finish working, and then I don't know. We're gonna see what we're doing in a little bit. I'm gonna go to the store. His cake good, y'all. This from Sam's. Well, if you ever had Sam's cake, and it's cheaper than Publix. Okay. Hi, lifestyle lovers. So it's a few hours later. I went to the store. I'm going to cook some shrimp and scallop. Here is Mookie, my son. Most of you know Mookie already, but if you don't know Mookie, this is my 11-year-old son Mookie, and apparently he wants to say hi to the lifestyle lovers. So say hi. You came here on the camera. You want to say hi. So say hi.
Hi.
With your mouth full of Oreos. That's disgusting. Now go sit down and finish doing your homework.
Alright.
Bye.
I can't sit here and watch.
No, you can't sit here and watch you doing your homework. And close your mouth with them cookies in it. Bye, Mookie. Get out the way. So I went to Walmart and I went and got some fresh shrimp. I'm going to make some shrimp and scallop linguine. So I got some sweetened condensed milk that comes in the squeezable bottle. I have to change my battery. But I have some sweetened condensed milk that comes in the squeezable bottle. So when I make my froth of my coffee in the morning, I use Starbucks creamer. This is what I use in my frother on my Keurig Cafe. I'll use the Starbucks white chocolate mocha creamer, and I'll use some sweetened condensed milk, and it makes a real sweet froth. I have some parsley, some linguine, some Dawn dish soap. I was out of Dawn. I have 2 of the Dial Marula oil. You guys know I love the Dial Marula oil body wash. So I have 2 of the soaps, hand wash soap, some white wine vinegar, garlic and herb butter made by Land O'Lakes, and some lemon. And for a little later on after dinner, I have some of my favorites. Red wine. I have the Dublin and I'm drinking the Hatteras Red tonight. So I'm going to put this in the freezer so it'll be nice and cold. So once I eat and wind down and take my shower, I can have me a glass of wine. So I'm just going to go ahead and start prepping for dinner and just straightening up a little bit. Mookie is doing his homework. So this is pretty much what our evening routine consists of. Oh, shoot. Are you supposed to be writing in pen? Why are you writing in pen? And if you make a mistake, then how you supposed to erase it?
Are you writing in pen?
No, you need to get one of your mechanical pencils. You don't need to be writing in pen. Because if you make a mistake, then you're going to have to scratch it out and it's going to make your paper look horrible.
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Get a pencil.
No,
Just think.
I'm in the pause right now.
You so damn hard-headed. I went to Walmart Lifestyle Lovers to look for the Hulk hands for Messiah because that was one of the things that my daughter said she wasn't able to get. She bought mostly toys and his godmother bought mostly toys. So I'm just going to get the clothes and shoes for him. So I really didn't want to get any more toys, but since she said that she could not find that, I went to look for it and I couldn't find it. But it is on Amazon, so I'm going to order it on Amazon. But his uncle, Mookie, bought this for him, and do I have it upside down? It's a Fortnite Nerf gun. So he loves Fortnite. Well, he doesn't know what he be doing, but he know Mookie likes Fortnite, and then he likes the Nerf gun. So Mookie spent all of his money on this gun, and I mean all of it. All of it. So that was really nice of him. So I thought that was really nice of him to spend all of his money on his nephew, getting him a birthday gift. But yeah, so we also got this from Walmart. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start prepping for dinner. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I just got a package from Amazon and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is a cleaning product that I can't wait to use. I'm not gonna use it in this video, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. Good old Amazon, it's gonna show you what you absolutely don't need. But it's made by Bissell and it's called the Steam Shot. Let me get something to help me open it up. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is how it looks. It's the Bissell Steam Shot. It comes with a little plastic cup, and then it has several attachments that I'm assuming attach onto this thing. But I seen someone cleaning out their window sills with this thing. Do you know how dirt gets in the crevices of the window sills? And they were using one of the attachments and just steaming it or whatever, and the dirt was just like going away or wiping away or whatever the case may be. It was steaming it clean. But you can also use it for clothing. You can use it for draperies, and you know, it's really, really small because I have a heavy duty steamer. I also have another handheld steamer as well, but you have to have it, I think, at a 90-degree angle or the water will drip out or whatever the case may be. But I wanted to try this. It was only $19.99 on Amazon. It's typically $29.99, and I had it in my cart, and I was just looking at some things on Amazon, and once I seen that you could get it with the $10 off, I was like, well, let me go ahead and order it, because the last time I looked it was $30. So I'll keep you guys posted on how this works, or you may even see it in a clean with me video. But it just came today from Amazon, but I don't plan on doing any cleaning right now, but I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll link it below, you know, if you want to go and check out some tutorials here on YouTube. I'm quite sure there are some, but I actually seen it on a channel where a young lady, she was cleaning out her window sills with this, and she was just aiming it at the window sill, and the window sill was really, really dirty, but by the time she just finished, they were clean. So once I seen that, and I was like, I have to have this. So you can use it for other uses, but yeah, I'm a sucker for a good cleaning product. Okay, lifestyle lovers, it's pretty much the end of the day for me. It's probably about 8 o'clock, 8:30. So typically after dinner, I like to wind down and either watch YouTube or catch me a good movie, have me a glass of wine. But this is pretty much a typical day in the life. Work, of course, and my kids and grandkids are always incorporated into my day in some sort of way, even if it's just a phone call. But that's pretty much it for this vlog, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of uneventful, but this is typically a regular day for me. So I hope everyone's staying safe. I hope everyone is wearing their masks, and continue to stay safe, continue to be encouraged, and I'll see you on the next video, lifestyle lovers. Bye.